OnePlus Nord 2T, just 28,199 rupee price with 108 megapixel DSLR camera and 120W fast charging. OnePlus has created significant excitement in India's competitive mid-range smartphone market with the launch of the Nord 2T priced at an accessible 28,199 rupee while delivering premium features typically found in much more expensive devices. This strategic pricing represents OnePlus' commitment to making advanced smartphone technology available to budget-conscious consumers who refuse to compromise on performance, camera quality, or design aesthetics. The Nord 2T targets students, young professionals, and everyday users who demand flagship-level capabilities without requiring premium investments. By incorporating cutting-edge specifications including a 108-megapixel camera system, ultra-fast 120W charging, and smooth 5G performance at this competitive price point, OnePlus has effectively challenged market expectations and created compelling value propositions for users seeking premium experiences at affordable prices. Sophisticated design philosophy with premium display technology. The OnePlus Nord 2T showcases exceptional design craftsmanship through its sleek and refined construction featuring a premium matte finish glass back and edge-to-edge AMOLED display that creates a genuinely flagship-level appearance and feel. The futuristic camera module design adds visual appeal while maintaining practical functionality, and the overall build quality ensures both durability and comfortable handling during extended use. Available in attractive color variants including shadow black, mint green, and frosted blue, the smartphone appeals to diverse aesthetic preferences while maintaining consistently premium appearance across all options. The centerpiece of the visual experience is the impressive 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display that incorporates a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support for exceptional visual performance. This advanced display technology delivers sharp visuals, rich contrast ratios, and incredibly smooth scrolling that enhances gaming experiences, multimedia consumption, and everyday interactions with the device. The display maintains excellent visibility even under bright sunlight conditions, making it practical for outdoor use while providing an immersive and responsive viewing experience across all applications. Professional photography capabilities with advanced camera technology. The standout feature of the OnePlus Nord 2T is undoubtedly its impressive 108-megapixel main camera that brings DSLR-level photography capabilities to the mid-range smartphone segment. This high-resolution sensor delivers exceptional clarity, dynamic range, and detail retention that enables professional-looking photographs across various shooting scenarios. The camera system incorporates advanced features including Nightscape AI technology and optical image stabilization that significantly improve low-light performance and reduce blur from hand movement, ensuring consistently excellent results even in challenging conditions. The comprehensive camera configuration includes an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens perfect for landscape photography and group shots, plus a 2-megapixel depth sensor that enables natural-looking portrait photography with background blur effects. The front-facing 32-megapixel camera ensures exceptional selfie quality with features including AI beautification, portrait mode, and 4K video recording capabilities that appeal to content creators and social media enthusiasts who require high-quality visual content for their platforms. Revolutionary charging technology with reliable performance foundation. Perhaps the most impressive aspect of the OnePlus Nord 2T is its revolutionary 120W Super VOC charging technology that completely transforms the charging experience by reducing battery replenishment time from empty to full capacity in just 25 minutes. This breakthrough charging speed eliminates traditional battery anxiety and ensures users can quickly restore power during brief breaks, making the device incredibly practical for busy lifestyles and demanding schedules. The substantial 5,000 mAh battery provides reliable all-day performance that easily supports intensive usage including gaming, streaming, and continuous connectivity. Under the hood, the smartphone incorporates the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 1300 5G processor paired with 8GB RAM and 128GB UFS 3.1 storage, creating a performance foundation that delivers ultra-fast operation, seamless application switching, and lag-free gaming experiences. The built-in AI engine automatically optimizes power consumption and performance based on individual usage patterns, while comprehensive 5G support across 13 bands ensures future-ready connectivity as network infrastructure continues expanding throughout India. The device runs on Clean Oxygen OS 13 based on Android 13, providing a smooth and bloatware-free user experience with intuitive gestures, customizable interface options, and enhanced privacy features that maintain OnePlus' reputation for excellent software optimization.